Nice Mice in the Rice by Brian P. Cleary. Lee. C. B. Can you find 3 words that sound alike? Lee can see the bee. Toad. Load. Road. Can you find 3 words that sound alike? The toad takes his load on the road. Mole. Pull. Hole. Can you find 3 words that sound alike? The mole and the pole are in the hole. Hose. Rose. Nose. Can you find 3 words that sound alike? The hose rose to my nose. Piles. Tiles. Miles. Can you find 3 words that sound alike? The piles of tiles go on for miles. Jake. Make. Rake. Can you find 3 words that sound alike? Jake can make a cake with a rake. Vase. Lace. Case. Can you find 3 words that sound alike? The ace, the vase, and the lace are in the case. 9. Dine. Vine. Can you find 3 words that sound alike? A line of 9 dine on the vine. Goat. Coat. Moat. Can you find 3 words that sound alike? The goat in the boat dropped his coat in the moat. Mice. Rice. Dice. Can you find 3 words that sound alike? The nice mice in the rice play dice. Seat. Meat. Neat. Can you find 3 words that sound alike? Sit in your seat, eat your meat, and be neat. Jay. Hay. Bay. Can you find 3 words that sound alike? Jay may lay some hay by the bay. Gale. Nail. Pail. Can you find 3 words that sound alike? Gale will fail to find a nail or a pail in the mail. Ride. Wide. Tide. Can you find 3 words that sound alike? Hide on the side and ride on the wide tide. The end.